Welcome to 2630 13th Avenue North in North Kenwood, St. Petersburg, Florida. My name is Judy Horvath with the Horvath Group at Coldwell Banker Realty. As you know, us realtors love to say location, location, location. This remodeled 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a 1-car garage and plenty of parking is ready for you. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1-car garage has a split floor plan. The living room is warm and inviting. The wood floors have been beautifully refinished that are carried to the 2 bedrooms to the right of the home. The guest bathroom has been remodeled with a new vanity, paint, and shower. This spacious kitchen is where friends and family gather. There are new white shaker cabinets with plenty of storage, stainless steel appliances, and bright blue backsplash. And of course, a seating area. Past the kitchen, you will find work area for the person that works from home or a study area. The primary bedroom has picturesque windows that bring in a lot of natural light. The ensuite bathroom has a walk-in shower with tranquil blue accents. The back patio is surrounded by tropical plants and has a space that is perfect for you to transform into your perfect backyard oasis. There is plenty of parking with 3 additional spaces in the alley. There is even room to store your boat or camper. This home has hurricane-rated windows, a newer AC, roof, and electrical panel. Come see this home today before it's gone. When you're done playing in downtown St. Petersburg, come home to your beautiful backyard and enjoy this beautiful home at 2630 13th Avenue North. Cheers.